Good evening, everyone. Let's wait for the students to join in and then we'll begin with our marathon class. Please just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not in the chat section. Good evening, Mayank. Just confirm whether the audio and video is clear to you or not. We have 3 students in the class. Let's wait for others to join and then we'll begin. Okay. Good evening, Ripkarna. Okay, so let's begin. Other students would join in the time being. First of all, if you're new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, thank you so much. We have hit 10K yesterday and tomorrow wait for a very big surprise coming for you all. So early morning tomorrow you'll get the surprise. Wait for that particular video. You'll for sure it would help you out in a extra step, so just wait for it. Won't be giving you any hints as well, so just wait for that particular video. Okay, before starting, new to our channel, make sure that you download our application from the Android, from the iOS. In addition, wait till the last end of the class, because at the end of the class we'll be discussing few important things regarding the upcoming examination, because we have got the notification for the application and registration. So we'll be discussing few important things regarding the same thing. Okay, before starting, if you are new to the channel and if you do not know about this crash course, so we have a crash course running for you all for the June examination itself. And now as we have our dates, so revision is of utmost importance, and if you are finding any difficulty in revision, this particular course would help you out in a structured and organized revision, right? Then in addition, we have various other courses, and at this particular moment the mock test and the notes booklet would help you in the revision of the same. So grab your hands on these notes booklet and start revising, start preparing very nicely if you actually want to qualify the upcoming examination. Okay, so today I have bought part A questions, that is for the general aptitude. The question for you all is, this is December 2019. All the questions that we are going to discuss are of part A only today. So let's see how many of you are able to do how many questions, because part A is of utmost importance in order to boost your rank in the examination, right? First question, of 4 agents, we have 4 agents. This is a hypothetical question given that you have alpha, beta, gamma and delta being 4 of the agents in a specific company, and 3 of them need to be sent together on a mission. In addition, you are given some of the conditions. First one is alpha and beta cannot go together. Second is beta and gamma cannot go together. Third option is gamma and delta cannot go together. So all these things are the conditions given to us. So try to find out the answer for this particular question, that if the mission need to be successful, which of the following is the correct answer for this. So read it very nicely and then mark the answers in the chat section, and make sure you are in the class till the end of the complete marathon, because we'll be discussing few pointers and also regarding the pattern of the new marathon that we are going to start from Monday. Because the exam is near, we'll increase the frequency of our free classes so that everyone could get the help out of it. Okay, try to find the answer quickly, everyone. Khushi has marked the answer as D. Others also give it a try and mark the answer in the chat section. If you read it very nicely and you interlink it with all the cases given, you can easily get the answer for this. Okay, and I would suggest you try to do every single day at least 4 to 5 or maximum 6 questions of part A, because part A is very important. And if you look into the other students, like majority of the students who are appearing for the CSIR examination, what they do, they tend to skip off part A completely just because of the fear of maths. But I am telling you, part A is very easy if you dedicatedly go for at least 5 to 6 questions daily. More than enough. You can increase your score by 10 to 12 marks without any extra effort. Okay, Akshita is marking the answer as B, Sonam as D, B and B. Okay, let's check the answer for this particular question now. So let's try to correlate whatever is given and then we'll solve it out. So you have alpha, beta, gamma and delta, and we are given 3 conditions. What is it? Alpha and beta cannot go together. Then the second condition is beta and gamma cannot go together. Third option is gamma and delta cannot go together. Now first option is saying that any 3 agents can be sent together. You have alpha, beta, gamma. Let's say these 3 are being sent together, but this condition is not possible because alpha beta cannot go, beta gamma cannot go. Let's check. Let's say alpha beta and delta are going. In this condition also not possible because alpha and beta cannot go together. Again incorrect. Let's consider one more situation. Beta, gamma and delta, again not possible because we have these 2 conditions. So option 1 is incorrect. Then alpha, delta and any of the beta or gamma. So it is saying alpha and delta are constant, then any of the condition of either beta or gamma. So let's say alpha, delta and beta. Second condition is alpha, delta and gamma. This is again not possible. This is also not possible. Why? Because alpha, beta cannot go and then gamma and delta cannot go. So option B is also incorrect. Then you have option number C, which is saying beta and gamma going together. In addition, either alpha or delta. Again not possible because alpha beta won't be able to go and gamma and delta won't be able to go. So this mission is not possible at all because there is some incompatibility with any of the 2 partners, and as a result the mission is impossible. So this is a December 2019 question. I hope this particular question is clear, and those of you who have marked the answer wrong, I hope the question is clear to you, right? So that we can move forward the next question. Now the next question for you all, the question is, an open rectangular box is made by excluding the 4 identical corners. So you are given this rectangular box and there's a box formed after excluding these 4 corners as in the shaded region. It is asking that what is the capacity of the box, because obviously after we are folding it on the dotted lines, the box would be having some of the height as well, right? You need to find the capacity. What is the meaning of capacity? Because now the box has some specific volume to it. That means what? It is having some specific height to it. So for sure the volume, the box would be having some volume. So you need to find the answer for this particular question. 4 options in front of you. You need to find it in centimeter cube. Okay, find the answer. 800, 1000, 4000 and 6000. Get the answer for this question. Again a simple question, but you need to understand one small trick and you have to remember one simple formula. If you put in that particular thing, you'll be able to mark the answer. Get the answer for this question, everyone. Take your time, get the answer. Done everyone? Let's check the answer for this. Arup is marking the answer as C, Khushi as A, Mayank as A, others also, Akshita is also there, Sushmita is also there. Everyone try to mark the answer. Okay. It's a very simple question, but you need to understand that what is the part or how much part is getting excluded, and then you have to put it into the formula. Okay, the answer is between, like, some of you are marking it C, and some of you are marking it as A. Let's check the answer for this particular question now. See, the question is asking you need to find the capacity. Capacity means volume, and formula of rectangle is length into breadth into height when we are looking into the volume of any rectangle, right? Now look into it carefully. If 10 centimeters is getting excluded from here, 10 is getting excluded from here as well. So what is the breadth? So total is 40. 40 minus 10 and minus 10. So 40 minus 10 minus 10, it is equal to 20. Length is 20, and same is the breadth. 10 deleted from here, 10 from here. So this particular length is 20 again. So you have the length as 20, the breadth as 20, and what will be the height? Height would be, because you have, like, just consider you have a plain paper and you are cutting 10 centimeter and folding it in a straight direction. Like, you have this paper, you cut this much, and now you keep it this way. So what is this equal to? This is equal to this particular line length. So we have cut it 10 centimeters. So the height would be what? 10 centimeters. So 20 into 20 into 10, this would be your main capacity, and which is equal to 2 2s are 4 and then 3 zeros. Answer would be 4000 centimeter cube. Answer is option number C. Khushi, Mayank, Sushmita, did you understand your mistake? Bache, you have to understand the question. Never be in a hurry to mark the answers, okay? Make sure that you are reading the question carefully, understanding it, and then marking the answer, because these small mistakes give you negatives in the examination. This question is very, very simple, but the point is, the students who have marked the answer wrong, they did not actually got the main point, that where is the, or how much portion is getting excluded, right? So make sure that you are reading the question. Now a tip for you all is, read the question very, very carefully, because not just in part A but also in part B, C, in each and every question, reading the question is very, very important, because there is just one trick and you get the answer wrong, and which gives you negative. So read it properly to get the correct answer for these questions. I hope the question is clear to you all, right? Answer is option number C, right? Let's move forward now and solve the next question. This is the next question for you all. The question is, which of the following is the largest? So it is 2 to the power 50, 3 to the power 40, 4 to the power 30, 5 to the power 20. You need to find out of these four which of the following is largest when you simplify it. Okay, you need to find that whether 2 to the power 50, 3 to the power 40, 4 to the power 30 or 5 to the power 20, which of the following would be the largest. Try to find the answer for this question and then we'll solve it out together. Again, an important concept, very, very frequently repeated concept. So try to find the answer for this, then we'll solve it out together. Okay. Most of you are marking the answer as A, some of you are marking the answer as B. Others also, we have 9 students in the class. Try to find the answer for this and then we'll try to solve it out together. It's very simple. If you understand a basic trick behind it, a basic logic behind it, you can easily mark the answer for this question. Okay? So take your time, get the answer for this. Again, a December 2019 question itself. Today I have taken all the questions from the same paper. So get the answer. Sushmita, mark the answer. Khushi, mark the answer. Who else is there? Akshita, bache, mark the answers. Mayank has already marked. Quickly mark the answers for this question, then we'll solve it out together. Done? Okay. Khushi is marking the answer as C. Let's try to find the answer for this particular question now. Now see, in the initial glance, like as in when you look into this question, you might feel like how will you solve to get the value of 2 to the power 50 or 3 to the power 40, so on and so forth. But if you observe carefully, in all the 4 parts, there is one thing common. All of them are a multiple of 10, right? So, can we do it this way? Can we take up the common power, the common number out of it, right? We can take the common value out. So, it would be 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 4, 4 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2, right? The question becomes very, very easy now. How to find these values? Hello, hello, hello. Is there a network issue, Bachi? Just let me know. Is there some problem? Working or not? I guess it will work now. I have resumed the connection. Okay, perfect. Okay. Great. So, I hope the previous question is clear to all. Get the answer for this particular question now. The question is, which among the following diagrams represents women, mother and human being? You need to find out the correlation between the 3 terms of women, then you have mothers, and then you have human beings. Okay? Get the answer for this particular question. Mark the answers in the chat section. And if you got the previous question stuck or some way or the other, you can let me know. I'll repeat that question if someone missed because of the network issue. Okay. For those who got the network got stuck, I'll repeat it. Do not worry. Get the answer for this question. Okay, most of you are marking the answer as A. Akshita, first mark this question's answer and then we'll switch over to that one. Okay, do not worry. A, okay. Let's check. The answer for this particular question is option number D and not option number A. Read the question carefully. It is asking women, mothers and human beings. Are all the human beings mothers and are all the human beings women? No, we have men's as well. So we cannot mark it as in the same concentric circles, because not all the mothers are not all the women are mothers, right? So there would be a intersection area. So this could be women, and in some of the human, this could be human beings, some of the human beings could be women's, and some of the women's could be mother. Not all the women's are mothers, right? I hope this is clear. So it is not option number A. You are just reading it and quickly marking it as A itself. Answer is option number D. Remember about this. Understand the concept of Venn diagrams. This particular image is what is called as a Venn diagram. Okay, so make sure that you are understanding this concept, that we need to have a broader category, we need to have a broader factual category regarding what is the question actually asking. Over here it is asking us that we need to have a representation of women, mothers and human beings. So answer for this is option number D. I hope it is clear to you, right? So this was the last question for you all, and for those of you who missed the question, this one, because of network issue, so in this what you have to do, because the powers have 10 common in all of them, you can take the common 10 and then you will be left with simplified values. And as and when you get simplified values, what you have to do, you need to calculate it. This will be equal to 32, this would be equal to 81, 64 and then 25. With this we have the answer as option number B. Okay, these type of questions are asked repeatedly in the examination, so have a good understanding of these type of questions. Okay, I hope this question is also clear to you, right? So this was about for today's class. Now point over here is, like, I wanted to discuss something important, and that is, now because the exam is very close, the exam dates are in front of us. It is in June, right? So you have you have March, we are already in mid-March now, it's already 11th, you have April and you have May. So make sure that you are continuously and properly revising the things, right? Do not skip topics, do not try to neglect your studies. If you are sincerely preparing, make sure that you are performing in the examination very nicely. So, and if you are finding any difficulty in this particular revision session, you can join the crash course that we are running for you all. Every single day in the early morning we are having the classes, you can join in that. In addition, from next week we are starting off with a new way via which the marathon classes would be conducted. So make sure every day you are joining at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. every single day. Okay, we'll be having one 30-minute session on daily basis, and every class would help you understand few new things. So make sure that you're marking in your calendar every single day 8 o'clock marathon class would be there on Botany Insider. In addition, tomorrow there's a very new thing getting launched on our Botany Insider YouTube channel. Do not miss out tomorrow's video. Early morning, like by 10:30 or 11 it would be launched. So make sure that you watch that particular video and get the best benefit out of that particular feature. Okay, wait for it and make sure that you watch that video. You'll get the complete understanding what is it all about. Every day marathon crash course reminder. In addition, tomorrow a new thing is coming up. Make sure you watch the video and take the best benefit out of that particular feature. Okay, so this was about it. Thank you for watching, thank you for joining in. Let's meet in the next marathon, and then now we'll be having more elaborative discussions in our marathon classes, because exam is very close. Be there in the class every day and prepare in the best manner. Okay, bye everyone, take care and keep learning. Any doubt, any problem, you can join our YouTube channel, you can join our application, connect with us, enroll in the courses and revise in the best manner possible. Okay, so this is about it. In addition, we also have revision booklets now available. Okay, you will get the information for those as well. We have curated some revision booklets for you all. You can get those revision booklets for revising more in a much better manner. Okay, so this was about it. Thank you. Bye everyone. Take care.